Alright, hello guys, and welcome back to Ian Explains, YouTube channel that needs no explanation. Today I'm going to be taking another look at the typewriter. Excuse me. Today I'm going to be looking at how a typewriter can be used in just like normal life. So, first a quick word of advice on buying a typewriter, after I take off my sweatshirt. Alright, so, this typewriter. I got this at a Goodwill for about $15. It's a good quality typewriter. I did have one break where a small string here broke, but that was my fault. And I had to replace the ribbon, which is to be expected. However, I was looking online recently for a bag to carry this thing, and it turns out, online, this can get over $200, so yeah. If you want to buy it online, that's fine. I'm just warning you, it might be a bit more expensive. But yeah, oh, that missing key is my fault. I should replace that at some point. It fell off after I got it. But yeah, so like that. Also, a good idea might be to bring a piece of paper along with you when you go shopping, so you can place it in the typewriter, make sure all the keys are working, because you don't want to just type on a bare platen, which is, as I mentioned, the roller thingy. That's bad. Don't do it. Okay, typewriter in everyday life. So, since quarantine started, I have, for online school, I've been doing online school. Yeah, my words. And my mom, to help me keep track of stuff, actually got me a thing where it's a list of, it's a chart to keep track of what work I do. So, I have this big old file folder here with all that. And actually, it can be useful the typewriter can be useful for typing out the charts. So I'm just pull one of these out quick. Put this on a backing sheet. By the way, I realize that I'm not explaining all of these terms. I'll leave a link in the description to my earlier typewriter videos, so if you're not familiar with this terminology, you can understand it. Alright, so, using the typewriter, and I'm not going to type as fast as I could, simply because I have to use one hand for the camera, so I can't type quite so fast, so there. So yeah, that's one use for a typewriter in your life, is keeping things organized. Other uses. So, a typewriter is nice if you just want to put something down and just spit out some ideas. Like, I want to just, for a while I thought of writing a book, and I actually got pretty far into it before I realized that it was trash and I didn't like to do it. So yeah, a typewriter is useful if you just want to, brilliant. As I was saying, typewriter is useful if you want to just kind of spit out some ideas onto it. I knocked it. So, just want to spit out, that's not good. As I was saying, typewriters are good for just spitting out an idea quick. Sometimes might be trash. You never know. But that's okay, because you can always try again. See? Fun. So yeah, typewriter, good for getting down ideas and just typing without distractions. It's just you and the typewriter just typing away. Alright, that's it for this for now. I'll see you guys next time.